English small sentence practice for beginners. What's your name? What's your name? What about you? What about you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you from? Where are you from? How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. Have you eaten? Have you eaten? What's problem? What's problem? Do you like this? Do you like this? Are you tired? Are you tired? We have a big problem. We have a big problem. It's very nice. It's very nice. What kind of food? What kind of food? Tom made a list. Tom made a list. It was really great. It was really great. Sorry, wrong number. Sorry, wrong number. It's okay, no problem. It's okay, no problem. He didn't want to go. He didn't want to go. I have to go now. I have to go now. It will happen again. It will happen again. I have to cook. I have to cook. She made a big mistake. She made a big mistake. Don't eat this. Don't eat this. He went out for lunch. He went out for lunch. It's wrong. It's wrong. Good luck. Good luck. We are hopeful. We are hopeful. It wasn't useful. It wasn't useful. I need to lose weight. I need to lose weight. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let's do it. Let's do it. Please remind me. Please remind me. I saw it. I saw it. Do you cook every day? Do you cook every day? We must go. We must go. I need to buy it. I need to buy it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. Your sister is pretty. Your sister is pretty. This is the way. This is the way. I am surprised. I am surprised. This is my favorite food. This is my favorite food. Go back to work. Go back to work. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. These smell delicious. These smell delicious. This is illegal. This is illegal. That looks nice. That looks nice. Don't say that. Don't say that. I bought an iPhone online. I bought an iPhone online. How can I help you? How can I help you? The food is cold. The food is cold. She didn't go to school. She didn't go to school. My phone broke. My phone broke. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. I will pick you up. I will pick you up. Please email me the file. Please email me the file. How is it going? How is it going? I don't eat fruits. I don't eat fruits. Are you nervous? Are you nervous? Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Thanks for watching.